If you're serious about bass and want your car audio system to truly come alive, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best car subwoofers that deliver deep, punchy, and precise low-end performance. Whether you're working with tight installation space or going all out with a custom build, these subwoofers are engineered to impress, from ultra-compact designs to full-blown bass beasts. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the best options that can shake your mirrors, stir your soul, and completely transform your driving experience. Number 5. Hertz Mille Pro Shallow MPS 300S4. The Hertz Mille Pro Shallow MPS 300S4 is a compact yet powerful 12-inch subwoofer engineered for tight space installations without compromising bass performance. Designed specifically for shallow enclosures, such as under a truck bench or in slim trunk setups, this subwoofer delivers an impressive 500 watts RMS and 1000 watts peak power, offering deep, impactful bass even in the most confined areas. Its advanced suspension system allows for 20% more cone excursion than traditional subs, ensuring rich, low-end output while maintaining a compact form factor. Optimized for sealed enclosures as small as 0.8 cubic feet, the MPS 300S4 features a 6-layer copper voice coil for superior thermal management and long-term durability, along with a non-vented rear design that reduces enclosure depth without sacrificing sound quality. The sub is built with a durable die-cast aluminum frame and comes with a sleek, screwless mesh grille for a clean, integrated look. Spring-loaded terminals support heavy-gauge wiring, ensuring a solid and efficient connection. Ideal for car audio enthusiasts looking for powerful bass in limited space, the Hertz Mille Pro Shallow MPS 300S4 is a top-tier solution that combines performance, design, and practicality. Number 4. Sundown Audio ZV 6-15 D2. The Sundown Audio ZV 6-15 D2 is a powerhouse 15-inch subwoofer engineered for extreme bass lovers who want serious performance without compromising clarity. Part of Sundown's ultra-high excursion series, it delivers an impressive 2,500 watts of peak power, making it capable of producing deep, thunderous bass even at high volume levels. It features a revamped motor structure with thicker top and bottom plates, boosting magnetic strength and allowing greater excursion for enhanced output. The 3-inch, 8-layer flat-wire aluminum voice coil is a major upgrade over the previous 4-layer design, offering higher motor force, better heat resistance, and increased output. Advanced cooling is ensured by a high-velocity pole vent and precision machine channels around the pole piece, helping the voice coil stay cool during intense use. Its innovative suspension allows ultra-low distortion, even at extreme excursion levels, making it ideal for low-frequency tuning in small, ported enclosures. Built with durability in mind, the ZV 6-15 D2 features a custom-tooled basket, large aluminum Faraday ring, and stitched XL tinsel leads designed to handle long-term stress. For anyone building a high-output system in limited space, this subwoofer delivers unmatched low-end performance and rugged reliability. Number 3. JL Audio 12 W7AE-3. The JL Audio 12 W7AE-3 is a 12-inch anniversary edition subwoofer crafted for audiophiles who crave both power and precision in their car audio system. This subwoofer blends deep, impactful bass with a long excursion design and a large cone area, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about sound quality. Its dynamic range and clean output set a new standard in the industry, while the ability to perform flawlessly with 400 to 1,000 watts of amplifier power gives it excellent versatility across different setups. Whether you prefer the tighter, more controlled bass of a 1.375 cubic feet sealed enclosure or the extended low-end rumble of a 1.75 cubic feet ported box, this subwoofer adapts to your style. Aesthetically, the 12W7AE-3 celebrates JL Audio's 10-year milestone with a satin black powder-coated basket, anodized surround clamp ring, and exclusive anniversary cone badge, all combining elegance with rugged build quality. Recognized for its smooth and immersive bass performance, this sub is not just powerful, it's refined. If you want a subwoofer that looks premium and performs even better, the JL Audio 12W7AE-3 is built to take your system to elite levels. Number 2. Focal Utopia M-Sub-10WM. The Focal Utopia M-Sub-10WM is a high-end car subwoofer engineered for those who demand top-tier sound precision and craftsmanship. Handcrafted in France, it features Focal's revolutionary W composite sandwich cone with an exclusive M-shaped profile audiophile, pushing the limits of audio clarity and delivering stunning dynamics. Built with a neodymium magnet and a massive 120mm dual voice coil, this sub produces deep, controlled bass without requiring a large enclosure. Just 10 liters is enough. Its shallow mounting depth of only 10.8 centimeters allows for easier installation in tighter spaces without sacrificing performance. Designed for both power and longevity, the subwoofer includes a durable rubber surround and can handle up to 400 watts RMS and 800 watts peak. The dual 4-ohm voice coils give you flexible wiring options, making it easy to integrate into a wide range of audio setups. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a full focal Utopia M-series soundstage, the Sub 10WM complements your setup with rich low-end support and refined tuning capabilities. This subwoofer isn't just about bass, it's about precision, innovation, and immersive sound quality that transforms your entire in-car listening experience. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate T1D212. The Rockford Fosgate T1D212 12-inch dual 2-ohm subwoofer from the Power Series is built for serious bass lovers who want their car audio system to hit hard and sound clean. Thanks to Rockford's innovative VAST, vertical attached surround technology, this sub delivers bass output comparable to much larger woofers by expanding the cone area by up to 25%. It boasts an impressive 800 watts RMS power handling, providing deep, chest-thumping bass that brings your music to life with authority. The dual voice coil setup adds versatility in wiring, helping you fine-tune your system for maximum performance. This subwoofer is loaded with premium materials, like a Kevlar fiber-reinforced paper cone and an anodized aluminum voice coil former, which not only ensure long-lasting durability, but also maintain excellent sound quality under pressure. The FlexFit basket design allows for easier mounting in custom installations, while the die-cast aluminum frame adds rigidity and strength. To keep things cool, it features an anodized aluminum dust cap that doubles as a heat sink, along with spider and pole piece venting for effective heat dissipation. Built to handle high output use, it also includes robust tinsel leads and tear-resistant polycotton spiders, giving it the reliability needed for heavy extended play. If you're looking for a subwoofer that combines innovation, rugged build, and powerful bass, the Rockford Fosgate T1D212 is engineered to push your system to the limit and beyond. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best car subwoofers. Whether you're after tight, accurate bass or ground-shaking low-end power, there's a perfect subwoofer out there for your build. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the hot bell icon so you don't miss out on more in-depth car audio content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the bass bumping.